morning to each and everyone. So this is part and parcel of the National Police Training Institute Memorandum Guideline. So we will be having an reorientation actually for faith-based volunteers and leaders. As part and parcel of your training, we are all volunteers and leaders with regards to faith. So sa Diyos, lahat po tayo ay volunteers and leaders. So now, we will be having a reorientation and further a book launching of a book that will help us in our spiritual life. So lahat po tayo, sabi nga ang success, ang formula ng success ay EQ plus IQ. Pwede na ba yun? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng EQ? Kulang yan. Para maging successful ang isang tao, ang formula ay IQ plus EQ plus SQ. Ano yung SQ? Spiritual quotient. Wala pong naging successful na hindi kumpleto ito. IQ plus EQ plus SQ equals success. Now, let me introduce to you our speaker for the reorientation as mandated by the National Police Training Institute, Pastor Bong Villanueva. Sir?
Maraming pong salamat. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Pastor Bong.